Does Prudential have an app? Yes, Prudential offers a mobile app that allows customers to manage their accounts, track investments, and access insurance policy details conveniently from their smartphones. The app is designed to provide easy access to financial and insurance services. 1. Features of the Prudential app. The Prudential app allows users to view their life insurance policies, investment accounts, annuities, and retirement plans. It also provides tools for tracking financial goals and making transactions. 2. Managing life insurance policies. Policyholders can use the app to check policy details, view payment history, and update beneficiaries. Some plans may also allow premium payments through the app. Third, retirement and investment account access. Users with Prudential retirement plans or investment accounts can monitor their portfolio performance, adjust contributions, and review transaction history directly through the app. 4. Secure login and account protection. The app features secure login options, including biometric authentication, fingerprint, or facial recognition, to ensure customer data is protected. Availability on iOS and Android. Prudential's mobile app is available for download on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, making it accessible for a wide range of users. 6. Customer support and assistance. Through the app, users can contact Prudential's customer support, access FAQs, and get assistance with their accounts or policies. Prudential's app offers convenient access to insurance and financial services, helping users manage their policies, investments, and retirement accounts from anywhere. Would you like to see how much you can save by switching to Prudential Insurance today? Click on the link in the description below.